Yes people, and welcome back to another episode of Jake's Sneaker Talks. And the sneaker we're going to be talking about today is of course the Nike SB Dunk Low in the Court Purple colourway. The Court Purple colourway released on January 23rd, 2021, and it's the first dunk this year that's following on from the J-Pack series. Now of course that was so popular last year with the Chicago colourways, previous years with the Pine Green, and it seems they're going to continue with that fashion with the Classic Green releasing in a few months' time in 2021. The Court Purple colourway has also been seen on the Jordan 1 in 2 iterations in recent years, and of course that's where the name comes from. J-Pack, J, Jordan, Pack, J-Pack. We saw a number of purple dunks released throughout 2020, the ACGs, the Plums, the Varsity Highs, and now the Court Purples in 2021. It seems Nike is continuing with their love for dunks and purple throughout this year. Now getting into the rundown of the shoe guys, on the toe box you do have that white and black classic black toe box. Going up through the panelling, again you have the white and the black with a black swoosh, and towards the back of the shoe, wrapping all the way around the heel, you have this purple panelling. The midsole is also done in the white, and the sole is done in purple with a black cutout. The tongue of the shoe is done in this more sort of sail colourway, and the tag is done in white with black writing. You also get 2 sets of laces with the shoe. You get the black that it comes with and a secondary pair of white laces. Now getting into the quality side of things, it's really not bad. It's just a normal sort of leather on the dunk. You've seen worse, you've seen better, but for me it's just a normal standard of leather. Now getting into the resale side of things, it hasn't done too well on the market, but I don't think that's too much of a problem. Purple dunks always seem to go nice in people's collections anyway, and it's not so much of a big resale factor. The J-Pack Chicago ones did well last year. They were sort of fetching £400, £500 prices, but these are sort of like a different take on them, and one I think is just a nice one to have in your rotation. In terms of style, I haven't actually worn these yet, but I plan to wear them with grey joggers, black trousers. I think they'll look good like that. You let the shoe do the talking and you have a muted style to go with it. And that has been it for the second episode of Jake's Sneaker Talks, guys. Please subscribe up here, like down below, and I'll see you on the next one very soon. Take care.